Finding lost keys.
Ben, have you seen my car keys anywhere?
Hi, Maya. Your car keys. Where did you leave them?
I don't know. I need to leave for work in 5 minutes. I can't find them.
Okay. Don't panic. Think carefully. When did you last use them?
I used them when I came home last night. I remember opening the front door.
So, they should be somewhere near the entrance. Did you hang them up?
I usually hang them on the hook, but they aren't there. I already checked.
Did you empty your pockets when you changed your clothes?
Oh, good idea. Let me check the pockets of my jeans from yesterday.
Anything.
No, just lint and some coins. This is bad. I can't start the car without them.
Maybe they fell out of your bag. Check your big tote bag.
I'm looking. I see my wallet, my phone, a pen, no keys.
Don't give up. Did you put them on the kitchen counter when you got a glass of water?
Oh, maybe I did have a snack. I'll check the kitchen now.
Look under the mail pile. Sometimes things get covered up.
Wait a minute. Aha, I found them.
Really? Where were they hiding?
They were under the newspaper. Exactly where you said on the kitchen counter, buried under the mail.
See, I knew they had to be close. You had me worried for a second.
Thank goodness. What a relief. Thank you so much for helping me look.
Anytime, Maya. Now go. You're going to be late.
I'm leaving now. Bye.
Feeling sick in the morning.
Liam, wake up, sweetheart. It's time for school.
I don't feel good, Mom.
What's wrong, honey? Did you sleep okay?
My head hurts a little, and I feel very warm.
Oh no, let me see.
Am I hot?
You do feel a little warm. I'm going to get the thermometer. Just stay still.
Okay, my tummy feels funny, too.
I'm sorry, dear. Put this under your tongue.
What is the number, Mom?
It says 100.5 degrees. You have a slight fever, Liam.
Does that mean I can't go to school?
Yes, you need to stay home and rest today.
Oh, I was hoping to play soccer at recess.
I know, but we need to make sure you get better. I will call the school and tell them you're sick.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm going to get you some fever medicine. You should drink a little water first.
Should I take the pill now?
Yes, that will help with your headache. I also want you to stay in bed for the morning.
What should I do? I feel bored already.
You can read a book or watch a quiet movie, but no running around?
Okay, can you make me some toast?
Of course, I'll make you some toast and tea. Just relax and try to sleep a little more.
Mom, when will I feel normal again?
Hopefully by tomorrow. Just take your medicine and get some good rest.
Okay, Mom, thanks for taking care of me.
That's what moms are for. I'll be right back with the tea.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie. I'll just close your eyes for a few minutes.
Fixing a running faucet.
Chloe, are you ready for bed?
Almost. Hey, did you notice the sound coming from the bathroom sink?
The bathroom sink? No. What does it sound like?
It's a drip, drip, drip sound. The faucet is leaking again.
Oh, man, I thought I tightened it last week. That dripping is really annoying.
It is, and it's wasting water. We should try to fix it properly this time.
You're right. Let me go look.
What's the damage?
It's not just dripping. It's a slow, constant drip. We probably need a new washer.
Do we have any tools in the toolbox?
We have a wrench and some screwdrivers. I could try to take it apart myself.
Do you know how to do that? I don't want to make it worse.
I watched a video about it last month. First, I need to turn off the main water supply under the sink.
Okay, be careful with that valve. Is it a big job?
It shouldn't take long. But if I can't stop the leak after 30 minutes, we will have to call a plumber.
That sounds like a good plan. Try it now while I put the kids to sleep.
Deal. Wish me luck.
Good luck. Let me know if you need the flashlight.
Thanks. I will.
Complimenting an outfit.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, David.
Wow, that's a really nice jacket. I haven't seen you wear that one before.
Oh, thank you. I just bought it last weekend. I'm glad you like it.
I do. The color really suits you. It makes your eyes stand out.
That's sweet of you to say. I was a little worried it was too bright for the office.
Not at all. It's perfectly professional. And actually, your whole outfit is sharp.
Thank you. I paired the jacket with this simple white top and these dark pants.
It works really well. It looks very comfortable, too.
It is. And speaking of looking sharp, I love those new shoes you're wearing.
Oh, thanks. I just picked them up yesterday. I needed something for the rain.
They look sturdy but fashionable. Where did you get them?
At the new shoe store downtown, Footsteps, they were having a sale.
I'll have to check that place out. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Well, let's get to work.
See you in the meeting.
Missing the bus.
Okay, we made it. The bus stop is right here.
Perfect timing. The bus should be here any minute now.
Wait, is that the number 10 bus pulling away?
Oh no, it just left. Did you see that?
Yes, we were literally 30 seconds too late. That's frustrating.
Ooh, I can't believe it. Now we have to wait for the next one.
When does the next one come? Do you have the schedule on your phone?
Let me check the app. Okay? It says the next number 10 is coming in 18 minutes.
18 minutes? That makes us really late for the movie. It starts in 25 minutes.
I know. What should we do?
We could wait, but we'll miss the beginning. Is it walkable from here?
The cinema is about a 20-minute walk if we go fast. It's almost the same time as waiting for the bus.
Let's look at the map quickly. See, we just need to go straight down this road and turn left at the bakery.
Okay, walking might be better. At least we are moving forward. We won't be standing around.
Good point. We might still catch the previews. Are you ready to walk fast?
I am ready. Come on, let's go.
We have to remember to leave earlier next time.
Definitely. Lesson learned. Thanks for making the quick decision, Leo.
No problem. Let's hurry.
Borrowing a phone charger.
Alex, I have a huge problem.
What's going on, Chris? You look worried.
My phone just died. The battery is completely dead, and I need to make a call soon.
Oh, that's rough. Did you forget your charger?
Yes, I left it at home this morning. Do you happen to have a spare charger I could borrow for just an hour?
Maybe. What kind of phone do you have? Is it a USB-C or an old micro USB?
It's the newer one, a USB-C cable.
Great. I actually keep one in my bag for my tablet. Let me see.
Oh, that would be a lifesaver. I only need enough power to send one message.
Here you go. I have the cable and the wall plug.
Thank you so much, Alex. Where is the best place to plug it in?
There is an available outlet behind that bookshelf. It should reach from there.
Perfect. I'll plug it in now. I promised to give it back to you before I leave.
No rush. I don't need it right now. Just don't forget where you put it.
I won't. I'll set a reminder. You really saved me a lot of trouble.
Happy to help. Just shout if you need anything else.
Thanks again.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.